Oh my gosh, October, here we are. What a crazy year this has been for everybody, right? Especially for me. Things are going to get a little crazy in October because I am starting a whole new venture in my life and I couldn't be any more excited. First, let's just touch on the elephant in the room, which you can probably hear. I'm doing this voiceover in my hotel room and I don't have a choice because I'm so busy. This is the only time I have to do voiceover on my phone. So yeah, the quality's not going to be great and you're going to hear everything. My stomach's talking a lot, so bear with me. Anyway, this spread. I'm super busy in October and I needed to, bring up my monthly spread to really see what I'm doing. I needed to break down my weeks even more because there's a lot of notes that I'm taking right now. And the reason being is because I'm starting a sticker store. I'm so excited to actually say that. My sticker store is called Scully's World of Wonder. And did I say that weird? I'm sorry, I'm just so excited. Scully's World of Wonder. I'm being distracted by cars. I'm distracted by my excitement about talking about my sticker store. But let's get back to the bullet journal real quick. So this is what you're really here for. So in this spread, it's kind of like a mishmash of ideas. It is a Dutch door spread, but it also has these different types of boxes where I can just write in whatever I want. I'm not really doing any habit tracking much. There's only one thing that I'm trying to keep on top of, and that's my stretches every morning because I have massive body pain and it's getting bad, so I need to deal. But this is not the most aesthetically pleasing thing I've done in my journal because once everything was complete, it kind of looks, I don't know, there was something about it that didn't look as delicious, but that's fine because I really just needed something where I can just jot down a lot of notes, but also be sort of fun and playful at the same time because I need to make sure that I remain creative and remain, I guess just stimulated mentally so that way I can continue on doing my stickers. Which will segue into this. Scully's World of Wonder is something that I have been sitting on for about a year. You guys know if you watched my videos before, I did a sticker collaboration with the Freelancer Planner, and they've been doing pretty well. And I was supposed to start my sticker store around the same time, but I don't know. I convinced myself that there was no reason for me to start a store, and everyone has a store, and blah, 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 And then I realized that, no, you have to do this. You're sitting on these sticker designs, you're sitting on your ass, get up and do it. So I made that decision, and boy, has my life changed since I decided to completely commit myself to opening up an e-commerce website. And, oh, Jesus, it's a lot of work, and I'm really tired. If you can imagine, I'm in Florida right now. I should be asleep because I have an early call time, but I'm doing this video and trying to post it in the same night. So I couldn't be more excited. My launch day is going to be on Halloween, and you can see some of my stickers in this video right now. Consider this your sneak peek. I plan on doing an actual launch video or, a promo video for it on my YouTube page. I just need to figure out exactly what I'm going to showcase and stuff. But yeah, if you guys are not following my social media accounts, you have no idea what I'm doing. So follow Scully's World of Wonder on Instagram. That way you can be one of the first people to see the stickers get sneaked out. What's it called? Leaked out and shared with you guys. I'm so excited for this whole thing. I love Scully so much. He's been a little character of mine since I was in high school, and man, I just can't believe that this is actually happening. I can't shut up about it, to be honest with you. Anyway, going back to the bullet journal, I am going to be using pretty much just one pen again. I really liked the idea of using one pen like I did in November. September. Wow. And but this time I was going to do more of a black and white layout. because my stickers actually are, they're like a black and gray color scheme. I'm not a pastel kind of a girl. Look, I like pastels. You know, I'm really big on that. But you know, Scully's World of Wonder is pretty much based in the underworld. He is a skeleton ghost who just loves to travel between different realms and experience new things, and these stickers are pretty much a representation of what Scully sees and what Scully does and where Scully is from. So the colors of my stickers are going to be a bit edgier, a bit deeper, darker, you know, muddier, you know, just different types of colors that you wouldn't normally see in a sticker shop, just because, you know, you don't need another pastel box. You know what I mean? I don't need another pastel box. But, you know, I really could go for some army green or some navy blue. You know what I mean? But my main shop colors are going to be black and gray. And that is exactly what I wanted my journal to be as well. Black and gray, and have just little pops of color here and there. Just let the stickers do the talking, as they will with my shop. I almost said store, shop, same time. I've never been so just all over the place, you guys. Like, my brain is going a mile a minute. I haven't been getting much sleep. I'm hardly eating in a good way, but also that's not good. You should be eating like at least 5 times a day. But I'm just so busy, and I'm just excited. I feel like I'm word vomiting all over this video, but you know, I still have 7 minutes to go to talk about the same spread that I'm doing over and over again. Oh yeah, one thing to note, my light kept dying. You can see it. I kind of like the creepy effect it's giving, but that was very annoying when I was filming this. It just kept, I don't know. I bought some cheap Amazon lights, which I like to use because there's no cords involved. I can just charge them, but one of them is kind of faulty, so yeah, that was my life when I was doing this journal too, which is why a lot of the lines, oh my gosh, I made so many mistakes in this spread. This was the month of mistakes. The lines were wonky. I ended up like making the days a little bit weird. Like, there was a lot of things. If you really watch me in this video, you'll see all the whiteout that I used. I used up all my whiteout. Oh, that's right. I gotta buy more whiteout. You see? I'm all over the place. Actually, one thing that I can talk about is how I'm doing the spread. So the day columns that I'm laying out here, they're 1.5 inches wide, and then I'm cutting out 10 squares worth of, I guess rows out of to make the Dutch door. So I didn't really have a rhyme or reason either as to like why I chose 10 squares to cut out. I just said, that looks good, and went with that. And then with the side boxes that are blank, I have, you know, it's gonna be mainly for my notes as well as my to-do list. And there's a lot of things that I have to do during this month. So I'm leaving some of them just completely blank, and I'm gonna let future me fill that in. I kind of like how I utilize the empty spaces in my journal. There has not been a single empty space in my bullet journal this year, which is insane. So I'm rolling with it. I'm using the Marvy color in marker to black out, almost like it kind of looks like a piece of washi tape, to be honest with you, at the very top where I have days. Using the Marvy color in marker, just drawing a line, and then I'm using a gel pen to write in the days of the week. If I can be honest, I'm not a fan of how that turned out. The gel pens don't work that great on other markers, like especially the Tombow. Good luck. Like, it'll maybe make the Tombow look a little bit lighter, but it won't show up like white on black, you know? The only time I've ever had really good experiences with a gel pen over a marker is if you're using an actual alcohol-based marker like a Sharpie and stuff. So I was hoping to get a good vibrant payoff, but I didn't. Alas, whatever, it's fine. But that's how I'm getting the look of each day. And then the little small calendar that I have for every week, instead of highlighting the week, I'm blacking out the week that we're in, and then I'll write in with the gel pen of like the days of the week. It's kind of cute. It's fun. It's different. I was on a roll when I was talking, but did you see back there when I ran out of whiteout and it left 1.5 inches line? I was so mad. I was like, what am I gonna do? This spread, this whole thing should have been easier than it was. I don't know what made it so hard for me. I don't know. Okay, washi tape time. So I'm utilizing washi tape to indicate like the days that I'm working and days that I have things going on. I'm doing all the creepy washi tapes, the Halloweeny ones, the skulls and stuff because of Halloween, October, Scully's World of Wonder, and I'm keeping it creeps throughout this month. And look at me using my stickers. They're so cute. I love them so much, you guys. I can't even tell you how thrilled I am that they are coming out so... Chef's kiss. They're so cute. What you see here on the screen is the Scully starter pack. That's going to be the, I guess, main pack of stickers on my page or on my website, and it comes with like checklists, a few like tasks. It comes with mood skulls, it comes with weather skulls, it comes with full boxes, half boxes. Did I say checklists already? I think I did. Oh, and habit trackers. So I just want to, there's just so much fun. And I don't think, wow, I gotta be honest, I don't think I've been this happy in a long time. It's just something that, you know, as I'm staring at it more and more, yes, motorcycle, yes, be loud. As I stare at it more and more, as I see them every day, because I'm, you know, using them now just to get a good feel of what it's like. Oh man, I'm so proud. I guess that's a good thing to say, right? I don't know. I hate to sound so like, but I'm just, oh, they make me so happy, and I'm so proud of how they're turning out. It's just such a weird situation to be in. Anyway, yeah, I think this is it. I think we're coming up on the final flip through of what this is gonna look like. Yep, and here we are, the flip through. You guys, thank you so much for sticking with me in this video. I know I was a chatty Cathy. Oh my god, I probably said and like 100 times. This whole situation of me filming in the room is on the fly, and I'm not in my comfort zone. So yeah, but I've said it before, I'll say it again, and I'll say it more. I'm beyond thrilled for this new chapter in my life. And if you want to follow Scully's World of Wonder, please do go to Instagram, type in the name, follow that account, and then stay tuned for scullysworldofwonder.com. It's gonna launch on Halloween. And a video is coming. My stickers, I'm gonna talk all about them, you know, what kind of materials they're made out. I have so much to tell you guys, so much. This is just like a sneak peek, but that's a big sneak peek. So yes, and then also too, if you want to see what my bullet journal looks like filled out, follow Lana Plans on Instagram, because it's really interesting how the spreads turn out, because even I don't know what they're gonna look like until the very end, and it's like, it's kind of cool. So, oh, here it is. Oh, the starter pack. Hi, starter pack. I'm gonna go in right now and actually write in the launch date, because that's sort of important. Let's share this moment together. Yay! Be sure to like this video and share it with your friends if you want to support my channel, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.